Okay. Now, when we divide integers class, it's somewhat the same with multiplication. Like for example, we have positive 12 divided by, let me search for the same. So for example, divided by positive 3, still the same in multiplication. No? Uh, but here class, you will divide, in multiplication, diba, you will just directly multiply the numbers given. In division, still somewhat the same because you will just simply also divide the first one by the second one. So 12 divided by 3, that's 4. As for the sign class, again, you will just follow what we did in the multiplication process. Uh, when we divide both positive and positive, still the answer is positive. So same in multiplication. Now, what if we have this example? Negative 15 divided by negative 5. So this time, both are negative integers. So again, we will simply divide 15 by 5, and that's the answer is 3. As for the sign, the same in multiplication. Dividing negative by a negative, the answer is positive. Okay. Let's have another example. Now, what if we have different integers or different signs? Like for example, negative 20 divided by positive 4. So we will just simply divide 20 by 4. The answer is 5. And then when we divide integers with different signs, negative divided by positive, the answer is always negative. So as you can see, if different ang signs, the sign of the answer is always negative. Okay? Let's have one more example. Now, what if we will have positive 100 um, divided by negative 25 this time? So again, what we will do Kanye, is just to simply divide the first number with the second. The answer is 4. And as for the sign, since you are dividing integers with different sign, the answer will always be negative. So this is what I was saying about a while ago. If the signs are similar, the answer or the sign of the answer is always positive. But if different ganyang signs, the sign will always be negative. Like this one, okay? This is true to multiplication and division.